Alright, we got my boy's turboed Passat here. Let's listen to this cam he's got going on. Woo! Sick ass cam, boy. Yup, got the custom shifter too.
Gotta have the Crown Royale.
Yup. Gonna get shit going this summer. Inline?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet. Alright everybody, so we're changing some spark plugs on a 2003 Passat Turbo. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done here. So first you gotta take these gas little caps off. Take off that nasty little cover.
Do they pop up?
No, I don't think.
I don't want to.
There you go.
No, one at a time.
Yep, one at a time. You gotta twist them. Yep, just like that.
Yep.
Brand spanking new. Look at those.
And those are the coils?
Yep, those are coil
There's
packs.
your Sparkplug.
Alright, so to take these off, take this little clip and you push it down with a flathead screwdriver or something. You just pull it off. Should be that simple. And of course always make sure you have a spark plug socket.
So they changed this under a fucking recall?
Yeah.
You saved yourself a couple of $100 right there.
Yeah, you did.
I
Anybody
told
that's
him that
got
he should check on his car because it might have been a Volkswagen.
Alright, anybody that's got a 2003 Volkswagen Passat 1.8 liter turbo, you got some coil pack problems, go to the dealership, they got a recall, they'll fix that shit for free. Hook it up.
So look at that. There's nothing left.
Oh man. Hopefully that's your problem right there. Actually, I think
I'm really fucking hoping, man.
that's gotta be your problem. Let me get a close up of it. You gotta put the beer down.
So I just stick this in
Focus
there?
this.
Usually what you should do is
Terrible.
Take that off so I can like go straight.
You should not have that big of a gap.
put it down so you can feel if there's any tension if you're cross-threading. Because if you leave that on, you won't feel the tension. You know. A lot of oil. There's even oil up in here.
So then it's like tight right now.
Okay,
so.
now put that on the...
Alright, so he's got it snug right now. Lube up that weather strip a little bit so it doesn't crack.
How tight should
That
I go?
should be good.
And just give it
This
a
should
little
technically
tiny
be a
torque.
spec, but, you know.
Yeah. Don't want to snap it in there. And that's how easy it is to
That's all you
change
do? You
one.
don't like go start the car or nothing like that?
No,
Okay.
after all of them.
Okay. Because I wasn't sure if like that's what you meant by one at a time.
No. Well,
You'll mix
I'll
up
show
the
you
wires.
That's what I meant by that.
Yours it doesn't matter because it's all set through the line.
Sounds like when you pull it out of your ass, that little suction.
That little pop.
See, no oil in that one.
Yeah. That. So what problems could that be? Cross thread or something?
It could just be somebody fucked something up. And
Now what are all these threaded holes for?
no clue.
looks interesting though.
If anybody knows what those are, comment. That'd be greatly appreciated. Just 'cause I'm curious too.
Oh yeah, those plugs are fucked.
There's plug number 2.
Is Jack just in the garage sitting by himself?
Yeah,
He's
it's
watching
too cold
TV.
for his skinny ass. Yeah, he's watching the heat. Make sure it don't burn down. Get it nice and finger tight. And a little torque. Boop! Put that motherfucker back in.
What are these?
Those are the wires that come off. No. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck those are. German engineering, man.
Alright guys, well my phone's probably gonna die in the middle of this video, so hopefully I got,
Oil.
oh jeez, hopefully I got the majority of
Wow.
what you guys need to know. It's not bueno.
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of oil in that one.
Yeah.
Especially down there.
That could also be a part of your problem.
It could be the gasket.
Alright fellas. Spark plugs
Did that one seem looser when you broke it
should
free?
not
No?
look
No.
like that at all.
Don't stick a towel down there and try and dry anything out.
No.
No, you just get fabric and shit down there. See what you do here with this leftover oil? Just wipe it into the weather strip.
Yeah, it's good for it. Stops it from drying out.
Yeah.
Keeps it nice and lubricated.
See that right there? Add an extra 1.5 years. See, actually what we're doing, he bought an extra $5 worth of spark plugs because they're fucking carbon fiber. Weight reduction. Get like 5 horsepower off them bad boys. Shit. Nice and snug. Boop, right back in the motherfucker. Send it.
You see, I think like if you look at
She won't.
around here and here, I think this is missing some other type of cover.
It looks like it.
Like there should be some cover.
For covering the
I
plugs?
think, no, I think it's to hold them down.
You
So
think
they
so?
Yeah, like a
can't move
bracket,
up.
like
Yeah.
the battery bracket.
Yep. So I go to LKQ and check one out. I bet
Yeah,
you that's
just-
what you're missing.
Pull that cover off, see if they got anything under it.
And
Check a couple.
That could be part of your problem.
Well, when do you want to go, Patrick? Because I plan on going soon.
When's their next sale? Fucking,
Well, no, if you think about it, they gotta be part of the problem because when the engine gets hot, this gets softer and they could be moving up and down and floating in there.
yeah, that could be true.
But yeah, when you look at the outlines on
Fuckers
every
at the
one,
Volkswagen dealership.
Yeah, you know
Put the
what?
Sit back on.
Now that I think about it, the coil packs on the Lancer had screws to keep them down.
well, yeah, so
Or
does mine.
bolts, yeah.
You know, so I'm thinking that's what he's missing.
That could also be a good problem. And of course you always gotta clean up your workspace. Last one.
let's go return the tool.
I've done that many a time.
Oh. I probably would too, but everything's covered in oil. Including the cardboard.
Including the cardboard.
Close to tools, I just look at it as if I need it once, I'll need it again later.
These dope ass wannabe carbon fiber hubcaps.
Yeah, fuck
VR.
This just gotta get twisted in the other way.
Stands for Volkswagen Rally. Alright, moment of truth.
Probably know with it idling the way it sounded.
Yeah.
That's really the only problem with it is the idling. It drives just fine.
Alright, let's see if we fix this cam. Moment of truth. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Take it for a drive around the block. See if it's got better response or not. Take you all for a ride with us. Always look behind you when you back up. I know a lot of dumb motherfuckers that don't. Be safe, guys.
Minimum monthly payments required. See store for details. Hey, when it comes to dating, many people say love has gotten lost. But if you still believe in love, Match is the answer.
All right.
Match has created millions of love stories. Literally. They've been #1 in first and second dates, #1 in marriages, and over 1 million babies made. Plus, the Match app got rid of swiping. So that way,
That already feels better.
Really?
Yes, it does.
Photos and read more about the people you see.
Let's get some of this exhaust in the video too.
So download the Match app.
That turbo. I hear it spool.
That sounds way better. And it feels better.
Wow. I was actually hearing your turbo spool. Sound of beauty right there.
Is it all up there?
Yeah, it's literally right there. Sound of God passing a fart. In case you guys are wondering, he's taking it easy because he just got a new clutch, trying to, break her in nice and smooth. It's always a smart thing to do. Yeah.
Clutch, single flat wheel conversion.
All right, tell us what that is again.
Vallejo clutch, single flywheel conversion from dual mass.
All right, dude. So he says this clutch feels pretty goddamn good. I drove it. I like the clutch. It's pretty nice. So if you guys want one, go get it.
Europa Parts or Europarts.com.
Europarts.com. Got the hookup. All right, well, we made it back to the casa. Got that little turd right there.
That'll be in later videos.
Fuck yeah, it will. And we got my beer staying cold right there.
It's idling where it's supposed to be.
Let's see what this is.
I don't know, I can't remember anymore.
Alright guys, well if you like that video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. I'll keep making videos.
Keep making
Peace!
cars.
Yup.